What's up, guys? It's Whole Lot of Red ZL1. We're finally reviving the YouTube channel. Got my 2017 ZL1 Camaro here. It's a little dusty, but just act like you don't notice right now. As you can see, it is early in the morning. Got quite the commute to work, so y'all are gonna go ahead and join me for that today. But haven't had the car for too long, so not gonna go into too much depth about it today. Probably save that for another YouTube video for another time. But besides that, let's go ahead and get a cold start for y'all. Not too loud, not too quiet. Feel like for a stock exhaust, it's kind of like the sweet spot for right now. What the interior looks like. Got our Alcantara on the doors, seats, steering wheel, even though over there on the dash. But besides that, let's go ahead and get on the road and show y'all how it drives. And we're on tour mode. But yeah, you can hear it from the inside. You hear a little bit of the whine. It's not too crazy, but you can definitely hear it with that rotofab on there. I will say, I am 10 times more paranoid than I was before owning this car. Just kind of scared to leave it anywhere, especially with the theft rates on Camaros themselves already. And, you know, now that we actually have what everybody wants, it's like, fuck. Alright, we're finally on the freeway. Got off all them back roads. Finally got some space here. Whew. Pulled me a little there. It's a little scary. Nah, but y'all can see this thing gets up there, man. That was a little baby pull. That wasn't nothing crazy. Driving with one hand right now, so I definitely don't want to lose control of this motherfucker, bro. Had to get off the freeway real quick. Sorry, we're gonna get back on here in a minute and give y'all some more footage. God, I just love the way that sounds, man. Like I said, you really don't need the whine mod. You can hear that shit, especially from inside the cabin. But yeah, this is my daily drive, bro. It's about an hour almost every single day. I know people are going to be saying that's diabolical in a ZL1 Camaro, and you know, you may be right, but everyone's got their own lane and I'm in mine, so you stay in yours. But of course, this isn't going to be the daily forever, just for right now. But shit, who wouldn't want a daily fucking ZL1 Camaro every day? I mean, at least makes the commute a little better. You definitely get there faster sometimes. You know, when traffic isn't ass. But good luck with that in Houston. Okay, let's get over. Sure that shit pick up, boy. Woo! This guy, unless he wants to move over. Or are we gonna speed up? Oh yeah, see, thank God I did not try and get around him, bro. Would have smacked right into a fucking van. Alright, I think I might have to want to get a couple more pulls before I end the video. So those were some light pulls. Honestly, I mean, like I said, car sounds almost perfect the way it is right now. At least to me. I don't know about everyone else, but I like being able to hear a little bit of everything. You know, exhaust isn't overpowering the supercharger. Supercharger isn't overpowering the exhaust. So honestly, sounds really good for right now. But man, once we get that exhaust set up, boy, game over. But yeah, man, like I said, hopefully some great things to come with this channel. Hopefully we can turn up and just make it a good time for everybody. I'm really gonna try and test myself this year and just, you know, just see what I can do, you know what I mean? Why not me? You know, I feel like I said, if you're really willing to do something and you put everything towards it, I really feel like you can get there. At least that's what's worked for me my whole life. I mean, I feel like I've nonstop just put things into existence. You know, I always talk about it like I'm gonna have something tomorrow. May not be tomorrow, may not be next year. Shit, may not even be the year after that, but just know it's gonna happen and it's gonna get done. And that's just the message I like to spread to everybody, you know what I mean? Because like I said, I'm nobody special. I don't come from nowhere special. I don't come from money. I don't come from none of that. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna say I'm self-made because, you know, by the grace of God and just having two loving parents already is a blessing enough. And that alone, I could say was all the help that I needed in order to get to where I'm at. Everything else, I know for sure I put in work for it. But yeah, it looks like we're coming up on some traffic, so I mean, I don't really got any exciting commentary left. And I doubt y'all want to see me go 5 miles an hour for like the next 10 minutes. So probably gonna cut the video here. But like I said, hopefully we can get some exciting things to come out of this. Bring a lot of people to the channel. Definitely gonna try and just see what I can do this year and try and make the best out of it. Like I said, always be grateful. Give thanks to God every single day. Make sure that you make him a part of everything, because without him, honestly, from my own experiences, nothing is possible. Without God, there's nothing, man. And once you learn that, if you haven't yet, you'll definitely start to see some differences. But besides that, God bless everybody, man. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and we'll definitely see y'all soon. Like I said, I definitely want to get like a full review of the car going. I haven't owned it for too long, so like I said, I can't give y'all like a long-term review just yet, but we'll definitely go into depth about everything and all the specs and all that, and then, you know, see where we go from there in the future. But yeah, man, I'm excited. Once again, I hope y'all have a blessed day, and all glory to God. Peace out.